So, is buying a house in 2024 one of your New Year resolution? Before you make your move, the question is, are there pros and cons of buying a house in 2024? Should you wait? So today I'm discussing the ultimate guide to navigating the housing market roller coaster. So if you're standing at the crossroad of a major decision, buy or not buy, in this dynamic landscape of 2024, the choice has never been more critical. So join me as I unravel the pros and cons of making that purchase now or wait. What are the pros and cons if you decide to wait? But first, hey, this is KG. I'm a realtor and working with buyers and sellers in the DMV area. If you're looking to buy, sell, move, contact me. And please subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you. So 2024 is here, and one of your resolutions is I am buying a house this year. But wait. Are there pros and cons of doing that, of buying a house in 2024? First thing first, I want to acknowledge the elephant in the living room. What is the elephant? Prices. Woo! They are still high. Not as quite as the nosebleed levels of 2023. But there's good news, right? Experts predict a gradual decline throughout the year. Now listen. I say gradual decline from the high. I'm not talking about crash. However, waiting comes, if you decide to wait, comes with its own risk, right? If demand picks up and inventory stays low, prices could bounce back unexpectedly, leaving you to kicking yourself for missing out. I know a lot of people during the pandemic like, oh no, prices are not going too high. You know what happened? There's also the interest rate tango. They are deep from their peak in 2023. From 8% now we are seeing 6%. So this interest rate peak actually gives a little bit of leeway for buyer, but they are significantly still higher than the pre-pandemic era, making those monthly mortgage payments a bit chunkier. The good news is many economists are predicting further rate cuts later half of 2024, which could be the sweet spot for locking in lower interest rates. I'm not sure if you're going to see 3 or 4%. But remember, crystal balls are notoriously cloudy, and rates could actually surprise us and shoot up. So now let's talk about inventory. It's still very tight, making finding your dream home feel like searching for a unicorn in a glitter factory. But there's some glitters of hope. More sellers are expected to list their properties in spring and summer, potentially offering a wider selection. Plus, with the market cooling down a little bit, competition may ease up, giving you a better chance of snagging that perfect home. But it's all prediction, right? Anything can happen. So the question is, what is the verdict? Buy or wait? Honestly, the truth depends on you and your unique situation and your risk tolerance. So if you're looking to buy, here is a cheat sheet note to help you decide if it is a good time to buy. If you're looking to buy, first, you have a stable job and an income. Second, you have a solid down payment saved up. This is very important because this will help you with your monthly payment. Third, you are comfortable with the current interest rates. I can't even say that without laughing because nobody is comfortable with 6%. But listen, forget about 3%. It's not going to happen. Fourth, you're flexible with your timeline and willing to wait for the right property. Fourth, you're tired of renting. Like I'm tired of renting, and you want the stability of home ownership, then you need to buy. You want to wait if your job is unstable, your income fluctuates, you don't have any down payment saved up, high interest rate gives you nightmares. If you've been dreaming of 3% and 6% to give you nightmares, you may just want to wait. Although, I don't know how long you're going to wait, because I'm not seeing 3% in the horizon anytime soon. If your job is not stable and you are likely to move, then you should wait. If you are not emotionally ready and prepared for the potential ups and downs of the real estate market, it is very trying. So then wait. Remember, buying a house is a big decision. So there is really no one size that fits all. You want to take your time, very important, to do your research. You want to consult with an advisor, financial advisor, to see how much you qualify for a mortgage lender or a realtor like myself. This is what we do to advise you and let you know what the market is talking about, what is going on in the market. So don't be afraid to reach out. Please do contact me so that I can help you navigate the housing market roller coaster and find your happy place in 2024. So if you do decide to buy in 2024, there are certain things I want you to take care of before you make that move. First, you want to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This is very important. This shows that you are a serious buyer and gives you edge in a competitive market. As a matter of fact, you should not be making offer if you don't have a pre-approval. Seller is going to trash your offer. Second, be flexible with your search criteria. You might not find your dream home right away, so you want to be open to different options. I always advise first-time home buyer, it is practically impossible to find your dream home in the first home you're buying. Also, negotiate. Don't be afraid to haggle for the price, especially if the seller has been waiting a while to find a buyer. But you have to also weigh the pros and cons. Think long term. Don't just focus on the current market condition. Consider how long you plan to stay in the house and whether it's a good investment for your future, right? Home buying is a big decision, and a lot of people use this as part of their financial planning. So you want to do that. Buying a house in 2024 can be a daunting task, but it can also be incredibly rewarding when you get a key. So with careful planning, a bit of patience and flexibility, you can find your dream home and ride the housing market roller coaster to victory. So, future home buyer, chin up. This is going to be a successful year and you can make this happen. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more on real estate tips and tricks. Please share this video with your fellow home buying comrades. We are in this together.